Thanks for stopping by my video review of the Jikfrima dual motor power lift recliner. Got some really good information for you here. As you can see, this is the high lift that you get when you want to stand up. So right here, as you can tell, when I go to stand up, I'm practically almost already there. I'm not having to struggle to get up because it's lifted me up. Now I'm 5'6", and this chair is recommended for people between the height of 5 foot and 6 feet. The remote right here has 4 buttons. You can go obviously up and down, back into a seated position, as well as lay it flat and kick out the feet rest. And you can do those things at the same time. This chair is the light brown velvet, and I will say that it is super soft. It is rated for people up to 400 pounds. Now, I bought it specifically this size because the dog likes to sit with me. So between myself and the dog, I wanted to make sure that I had enough room. So as you can see here, it's going to lay all the way down, and then you can kick the footrest out at the exact same time. You don't have to wait and do each separately. So that's a really cool feature of this chair. What I love about the chair also is that you have your really nice cup holders right here. You have 2 on each side, and then you have the same pocket on each side. Can put books or magazines. This remote right here, which is the power, you can just slip it in there or slip it in right here and have it available to you. Now, what I do also really like about this chair is the depth of the seat and the width of the seat. I did purchase this one specifically because it was bigger. This is one of the bigger ones on the market that I found, and I thought that was really great. You also have a heat function here, as well as a massage. The massage, the 6 points, it really feels more like a vibration mode versus a deep nodding massage. I really felt it in my back and down in my calf area. It's all the way down here at the footrest as well. It does also come with this lumbar pillow, and the padding on this one is really, really thick. It's very, very cushy. So I could not be happier with this purchase, and I'm thinking for the future. I love this chair, and I do highly recommend it. So hope you like it. Thank you.